What is up, everybody, and welcome to another video. This is Arthur. Today I'm in Kagoshima, Japan, and I decided to go for a run now. It was such a long time to get here, 12.5-hour flight plus around 7 hours waiting time in the airports, and I'm absolutely wasted. Last night I went to bed around 10 p.m. and I woke up 4:30 a.m. and just couldn't get more sleep. So the idea to go for a run is just to drain completely the energy, of course do some exercise, stay fit, and yeah, try to get a better night of sleep. It's a nice place to run. Back there is Sakurajima volcano. I've been there in another time I visited this place. It's very nice. They have some thermal waters, and you can also hike up or take the buses to, well, a closer area to where the volcano is. So that's quite nice. So it's the third time I visit Japan, and this is what I have to say about it. I think it's on the top 1 countries that I enjoy visiting for a couple of reasons. I lost my breath a little bit, but let's go. So I absolutely love the people here. People are so kind, very nice. Not everybody speaks English, but they are all willing to help if you have questions, if you need orientation where to go with the train, with the metro, with everything. So that's one of the main points. Second, the food. I'm a sushi fan. I love rice. I'm from Brazil, so I'm not the biggest bread fan, but they have so many good options here. The culinary is exceptional for sure. And third point, let's say, everything is so clean. Everything is so organized. It's not a dangerous place. There's not a moment that you feel threatened, or yeah, it's just absolutely incredible. For sure is one of the top 1, let's say top 3 places I've ever visited, but it's really good. I definitely recommend it. So yeah, by doing these videos I'm starting to get a little bit more loose talking to the camera. I'm enjoying it, and I travel quite a lot of times alone, so why not do it? So just trying to have a fun time, show what I'm doing, what I see, how I see everything, what are my experiences, and I hope you guys also find a way to enjoy it with me. I think we all have a blocking in the mind that it's awkward or whatever, but the truth is nobody really cares, so why not? Let's go. So this is something I absolutely love about Japan, is their little convenience stores. I'm getting into the Family Mart now. They have many. They have Lawson. They also have 7-Eleven. And I absolutely love everything that they have here. They have so many options of food, of drinks, way better than the breads in Europe. So they have a lot of things with rice, of course. I'd like to show you that. So many options, good food, very good meals for during the day. This is something here that I absolutely love, the onigiris, but I always try to get the salmon one. It's fabulous. We also have some different coffees. They come in these little cans. Yeah, it's just a different thing of how they sell things here. That's it, guys. I'm done with the running. So the pace is not really worth putting here because I stopped many times to record. But it was almost a total of 7 kilometers, and I'm pretty happy with that. It's better than nothing. And Now I'm going to get something to eat and see you on the next video. Cheers.